Hey guys, it's Matt with Stout Sportsman. I just wanted to throw up a quick video of my motorcycle and some exhaust, I guess, sound bites for you. Right now it's cold, but I will start it up for you. I'm actually headed over to my local Honda dealer to get it inspected today, as today's July 31st, and it needs inspected before tomorrow. So without further ado, we'll get it lit up for you. It is in the garage right now, so it's probably going to be a little echoey. Got a nice rumble at idle. It's a little bit louder since I'm in the garage, but you get the gist. Let it idle here for a minute, and then I'm going to head out on my cruise and come back, and we'll get a little bit better audio clips for you. Hey guys, just got back from my inspection. Took it to Forest Park Honda here in Erie, PA. Some good guys over there, good family-owned business. Motor's all warmed up, so we're going to do a warm start here and a little bit better audio clip here. There you have it, 2004 Buell XB12S Lightning. Hope you like it.